course, these sky-high iron ore prices meant sky-high expectations for BHP as well. Is this just a case that investors were expecting a lot more than even a very good result?
Yeah, expectations definitely very high here. BHP CEO Mike Henry, though, calls this a strong set of results. A return on capital up 24%, a net debt is down to $11.8 billion. That's near the bottom of the target range. And that interim dividend, $1.01, that is up 65 cents on the same period last year. And so that's 2 years in a row now of a record payout from BHP. But yeah, that underlying profit number, $6.04 billion, that was about $300 million below estimates. But even though that's still up 16% on year as well. So this result probably would have been a lot better had it not been for a 20% drop in first half net profit. That was mainly due to write-downs against the thermal coal business. BHP is still in the process of getting out of that. And the company also took charges of about $200 million related to COVID and about $400 million related to the Samarco dam failure. But yeah, those iron ore prices just really, really strong thanks to Chinese demand. And BHP took full advantage, shipping a record 144 million tonnes of iron ore in the half, and has set itself up now with a free cash flow of $5.2 billion.
Wow. So thank you, China. I guess that's BHP is saying, but we just mentioned the cash they have, awash with it. What is it going to be used for?
Yeah, CAPEX and exploration guidance has been lifted from $7 billion to $7.3 billion, and that's been helped along as well by a stronger Aussie dollar. So the South Flank Iron Ore Project, that's a big expansion. That'll have its first output in 2021. And Jansen Potash, this has been going on for a long time. Stage one of that is due to go to the board for a decision sometime in the middle of the year. CEO Mike Henry is very keen to get a discussion on this project. A decision on this project has been discussed for so long now. There's a refined $5.3 billion proposal awaiting board approval, and potash has often been touted as a fifth pillar for BHP's business, but has so far failed to materialise. But more broadly, Mike Henry says the outlook for the global economy and commodity demand remaining very positive.